Hello, welcome back. Whom I am welcoming. Okay, let me test some things, then we'll start. Okay, I am live. I am live. Okay, I'm live. Hello, hello, hello. So, today we are moving forward from authentication, moving ahead of authentication. We are stuck from the start on the authentication. So, offline, I made some changes. I made changes in the controller. So what I did is, so this is what we were doing, I was doing, but now I did this, I made it post mapping because when registering user, we don't use get always, we use post. I mean, if you want to know why, you will have to do the, you will have to know the basics of the servlet. Okay, you can search it in internet. I don't have to explain it. It's a simple thing. Okay, so I'm using post mapping, and what I did is I'm not getting the user and returning the user. What I'm doing is I made two data transfer objects, register response and register request. The register request brings it acts like the user object, but not exactly user. It's used for transferring the objects. Okay, so what it has, the what we need to register, what fields we need to register. We need fields like okay, we need fields, username and password. Okay, so it's bringing the request. Okay, and for the response, I have the ID and username. What we providing in the response. This is optional, but still I did it because ChatGPT said. Okay, in the home controller, I am requesting body of request register request type data transfer object, saving the user, saving the user request dot get username and get password. How did we get here? From here. See these two using this. Okay. Now now what I'm doing now returning I'm returning the response, the user ID, the saved user ID and username. And one more thing that I was not sure in the last stream that it was right. I was doubtful and I was correct. Uh, yes, in the user service, I don't had to make the role mapping, the another function where we were fetching the role and I mean mapping the roles. Okay, what I did is I'm registering the user. I'm getting it from user.set password, encoding the password, and then I'm storing the user in this. Okay, I stored it. Now I'm saving the new user u.getID and 12. What this is doing is it's basically this the saved user. Uh, if you want, I can rename this saved user. Saved user. Okay, now you get it. We are saving it in this. Now it's storing, it's having the user we saved, and using the saved user, I'm getting the ID of the user to map it in the database and the role. The second role is what? User. Okay. So this is pretty much what I did, and everything's working fine. Like the last stream, I don't have to demonstrate again. So today, What today I have to do is to proceed proceed for the main business logic of to-do list. So what I'm gonna do is creating a entity, basically DAO. I will make a DAO, data access object, which will have the no, I will make an entity. Okay, first let me create an entity. What entity? Uh, User tasks. Okay, this is an entity, right? This have private and okay. No, I don't have to put the task serial number. Just can I store the time and date? Let me think. Can I store the time and date? Yes, I can. Why not? The description of the task and the description of the task and time of the task. Time, maybe. When the task I want to do. Okay, so I don't need to take the system time. Okay, I don't need to refer the system time. The time the user is gonna enter. Description and time. That's pretty much I have to do, right? Do we need to define an ID? Do we need to define an ID? So in user entity, wait, let me close all these. Okay. The user task, I have this. This is an entity. Do I need to provide an ID? So how will it connect to the user? I have to specify here and then join it. If I join it, it will make another table. It will make another table which will store the user tasks. I don't want to mess up. So we are here to learn. Let's learn from ChatGPT. Oh, I'm so sorry. I didn't switch the scene, right? You were not able to see it. I'm so dumb. Okay. I'm so sorry. Do I need to explain all that again? What did I change? Okay, so this is the changes. Doing this, I'm getting the post mapping, getting the request register. These are the two DTOs, register response and register request. Basically, user name and password, get, and this ID and username what we are returning. Okay, nothing serious. Okay, now you get it. Okay, so now I made user tasks made in an entity. It will have the description, it will have the time, but I have to map it into the user, and then it will have user, and then it will one user many tasks. One to many, it will have one to many mapping. Okay, I can do it. I can do it. I don't need to refer to ChatGPT. But how will I fetch it then? How will I fetch it then? I need to refer my old project. Wait, I need to refer my old project. Mhm. Is this the one? No, this is not the one. No, not this one. Not this one. Uh, okay, let it be. I need to define private uh, user tasks. It will have multiple tasks, right? It will have set of tasks. It will have set of tasks. We don't want repeating tasks. If we don't want repeating tasks, we will use set. Okay, we don't want repeating tasks. Set of user tasks. Okay, set of user tasks. Let's make the data setter for the user tasks. Now let's generate the constructor for. Oh, we are not getting any tasks from using the constructor, right? I don't need to. Even I'm not getting the rules. So why? Okay, I'm not also getting the ID. Why? Okay, everything's fine. What's the problem? What's the problem? There is no problem. Okay, let it be. Okay, let it be. Okay, now I meant the set roles, set roles, user tasks, one to many. What's the problem? Okay, let's not. Let it be. Okay, no problem, right? Okay, so now user tasks, one to many. I need to check an example. An example for one to many mapping list of to do. Okay, it made an array list one to many user mapped by user cascade type all orphan removal true. It is owned by to do save effect to do's remove to do from the list child to do name to do. Okay, ID. Why it does need ID? Oh, nice, completed. This is also what we can put. Many to one. Let's type lazy. Why lazy? Okay. Join column name, user ID. Okay, let's do it. So what I need to do is one to many I did on right. Cascade is equal to cascade type. to write nothing else. Now in the task entity, this is an entity description. I need to make an ID, right? I need to make an ID. It doesn't matter, I don't want it, but still. ID string long ID. Uh, Identity. Okay, and it will have private user at many to one. Fetch type lazy and join column name user ID. Okay, done. Then generate. It has some setters for all. Actually, not all. We are generating the ID. We don't have to get the ID. Actually, we does. Actually, we does. In the constructor, we don't need it, but here we need it. Constructor. Constructor, we don't need ID. Okay, everything is done. Now in the user, it's done. Save cascade type orphan removal. Yes, set user tasks. Okay, task completed. This also we can store. I didn't make it. Yeah. Okay. Data and setter for completed. And here completed. Okay, done. Now I have to do is what I have to do now. If I run it, it will create a database table for this and this and this and this, then everything's done. Now, what I have to do is in the controller, I have to make, okay, so I think I should make another controller. Okay, Okay, it is the REST controller. I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry. Okay, it is a REST controller. It will have REST mapping to my home. Okay, after my home, public uh, add task. Add task. I will return it for now. Add task. Return task at the rate. We are storing it in data, correct? We'll use post mapping. Add. So in add task, what I need is I will get the input as task. Should I use the data transfer object? Should I use the data transfer object? Let's do it. Uh, task request. It will have a private string description. It will have a private string string time. It will have private. No, we will not ask if it's completed or not. Why would we ask that? We won't ask if it's completed or not. It will be by default false unless the user marks it done. Okay, you will get the description and time. Okay, generate, generate, generate. Okay, it's done. Now request and response. We're not putting any response as of now. Okay, okay. Now here I will get add request body of add task request request. Then it's okay. Now I will have to make service. I want public. What I will return. What I will return. What I will return here. Uh, uh, um, no, I'm not returning anything. Uh, okay, it's a task. Okay, register user controller. Uh, mm. I want to make a task, user task. What it will do is get the task and store it into the repository. In the user repository, uh, let me see. Let me see. Or I want to make a repo for saving tasks. Okay, okay. I'm stuck. Wait a minute, I have to think something. Task, I'm getting the user task. Uh, a task. So what I have to do is dot save. I have to pass the user entity. I don't have a user entity. I don't have a user entity. Okay, I am loading user from the database, right? I'm loading. I have to load it from the database. If a user is logged in, then it's already loaded. Okay, let's see. Let's ask some questions to our friend. Okay, see when logging in, I am loading user from database. Now, for the same user, I have to set the task and store into DB. Now, I need a controller service and task, which is taking task. Now, how do I store it for the current logged in user? The repo.save is a task repo.save task. If you want to save it by user task service example, add task for user, string username task user find by username. How am I getting the username? Why it's in argument. I don't want to pass it if it's already logged in. Then there must be a function like get current user ID or name. Auth username. If auth.get for instance of field. No. It's telling something else. Authenticated principal instance of the details. Will this really work? Let me see. On that. Okay. Okay. It's working. I got the username. Right. Now what I have to do is now I have to map the task. Uh, Now user task task. Uh, user task. Where is the task? Okay. I'm directly getting add only to create an object. Already have the object here, right here. Okay. Now task dot what? Okay. Task dot set user. Now user dot get task dot add task. Right. Now it's not returning anything. Wait. Uh, okay. Okay. Cascade is set. So I can do user repo dot save user. Okay. It's saving it. Now in the controller, what I have to do is I have to make auto-wired user service. Now user service dot task and provide here request. No, no. Add task request. Add task request. Wait. User service dot add task. It wants user tasks. User tasks. What user tasks need is replace dot get description, comma, replace dot get time. Nothing else. Doesn't have a constructor. Okay, no, still okay. Let's create the constructor. Into description and this dot time is equal to time right? Now in controller, in doing this, user is dot add task, user task request dot get description get time getting there, add task, going to add task, task, uh, task dot set user ID. Okay, one thing. It's not setting the completed thing. Comma, completed is equal to completed. What I can do directly is here, comma, false. Okay, default it will be false, so it's obvious. So it's done. Getting here, user service set task, loading the user, task.set user.get task.add. Okay, it's done. It's pretty much done. So what I need to do now? Uh, let's test it now. Let me open my Postman. Let's see. Okay, no problem. Okay, there is some. It does not exist, just created. Okay, there are so many errors. Let's see. What is the error? Okay, it didn't create the table. Let me see my MySQL. Okay, no table is created. So there's some problem in our schema. Let me see. What is this error? Let's see. Hmm. Okay. 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 I was trying to save the reserved keywords. Let's just fix it right away. Where is it? The tasks description. Okay. Under it, column, column name is equal to description. In time. Okay. Now it should work. Create table, create table, create table. Um, okay, it's created. Let me show you. Let me show you. Why can't you see it? Wait, wait, wait. No, 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 no. It's not letting me show it. Let it be. It's created. I have to increment completed. Description and time user ID. Okay. Now postman. Let me show you the postman. Uh, it's a post request. Local post. my home slash uh, first I have to log into my home slash task, right? Is it the one? Add, it's just add. Oh, obviously we didn't log in. How am I gonna log in? How am I gonna log in? Log in, log in, log in. It's a form login. How am I gonna do it? How am I gonna log in using this? I can't. I want to log in. Okay, I signed in here, but how am I gonna do? I know what's the problem, but how am I gonna test it, yeah? How am I going to test it? I know it's working, but how am I supposed to test it? Uh, am I supposed to test it using Postman? I have form login. Uh, let's see. It started. Now it should work. Okay, we are welcome. Now here add. Okay, it's added. It's added. Let me see. Let me see. Drink water. This. ID this. User ID this. Okay, it's done. It's done. It's done. It's done. I know you can't see the SQL. Let me show you. Let me show you. But first, let me ask to. Let me enter two three. Okay, I will. I will do it. Okay, MySQL. I know what's the problem exactly. Why it's not showing. Okay, now I will be able to capture it. New window capture. MySQL. Okay, now you can see it. See, you can see it. It's stored. Now if I do another task like watch watch TV at uh, 1:45 p.m. and send it, it's done. And if I go to this and do this, see user ID 2 and this done. And if I now go to Postman and hit the logout API, post, enter it, localhost, logout, send. Okay, I'm logged out. I want to log in again, but this time username will be Harry. Password is 123. Let's send it. I'm successfully logged in. Now I have to add the task. Add the task, play football at 5 p.m. Send. It's done. Now if I fetch, oh, you can't see it. You must see it. Okay. Now I select user 5. Okay, nice, 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 nice. Okay, okay, okay. Everything's done. The register part is done. So you can see the how it's working. Okay. You can see how it's working. Okay, now, no, 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 no. See, it's working now. Let me close it. The register, my adding the task is working now. What's the time? Okay, it's 11. How long it's I've been streaming? How long? How long? How long? Okay, I think I should stop. I have to wake up early. I have to wake up early. So I think I should stop. Let me close this tab. Let me close this. Oh shit, 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 shit. No, 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 no. You can see my analytics tab. Oh, no, 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 no. No, 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 no. Man, I don't know if I could. I can do that. Oh no, 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 no. Oh, I didn't knew it's capturing. I thought only ChatGPT is getting captured. Okay, let it be. I don't know what's gonna happen if I can show you the analytics tab or what. I don't know. Okay, so what I did now is what I did today is adding the add task method in the user service. Add task home control, not in the home control, in the user controller. Add task, getting the DTO success. We can successfully uh, show it into the SQL as you can see. Now tomorrow what I'm gonna do is close it. Okay, tomorrow what I'm gonna do is making the fetch fetching the task from the particular user, and after that's done, we will make the admin page where all the users and their tasks can be displayed from the database. Okay, let me commit everything. Ignite. What branch I'm on? Okay, I'm on the main branch. No, I'm on the register. Okay, I have to switch the branch. How to switch the branch? Okay, let it be. No, no, I can't let it be. I don't want you to see this. Git checkout. Always forget it. Git checkout main. Okay, I have to commit it. For user. Okay, this will do. Let me push it. Uh, Switch to main. Now I have to git push. I have to merge. Okay, it's merged now. Now I can. Okay, it's done. So I'll meet you tomorrow. I will meet you tomorrow. So tomorrow, what we have to do is make the fetching the tasks from the database for the current logged in user and displaying it in obviously in Postman in JSON format, and we are not making UI. And after that's done, we'll make the user profile where the like user can see all the users. I mean, admin. The admin can see all the users' tasks listed down from the database. So that's pretty much what we have to do in because this is the mini project. If we okay, let's first complete, then we will talk about the future. Okay, let's just complete it first. Today we completed the. I know we didn't do much work. I am very slow. I know I am very slow, but I, what I'm here for? What else I'm here for? I'm here to practice and increase my speed in building projects. So I will I will be better as we proceed for more and more mini projects and after sometimes we'll also do a major project. I will also do a major project after some time with complete UI database like JPA, Spring, sorry, not Spring. Spring contains all the JPA, security, REST APIs, and microservices too. I'm learning microservices currently, but I'm not using it. I will see something offline. I will practice it offline and then come to stream to practice the microservice, and we will use the microservices also for building projects. And then as we gradually as we gradually make improvement, I will also use the Dockers and for the deployment stuff and the testing, unit testing. Okay, that's my future plan. So thank you. I will. It's only 1 hour and 20 minutes, but I will do it tomorrow. Okay. Okay. Bye. Meet you tomorrow. No one's here to meet.